GTZ coming live kule launch lebaleke kakhulu iMpumalanga Premier's Cup launch yendiwe draw mhlambe mangwakeva stay tuned ku Sport Talk ngina chairman welcome le Kruger United bayafika ku Betway Premiership kunyendi bantu abafuna ukubona ama preparation ukuthi ahamba kanjani. What can you say, Chairman, about this tournament, the importance of Kruger participating in this tournament?
I think it's not just about Kruger, it's all the 4 teams in the province participating. You know, we are in the Lowveld, getting a friendlies is difficult with the community friendlies, but now we are afforded the opportunity to play against each other. And also for the supporters to see what we've brought in, unveiling new players, unveiling kids, and just strengthening a relationship with the other 3 teams. We've played Castwick last season. We've played the base last season. We've always watched It's Galaxy. Team has been with us, Utwala has been with us. They've been supporting us, they've been coming to our games. But that just shows you, there's something happening in the province. You know, there's a relationship between the 4 teams, and we're planning to bring more teams in the into a professional setup. So I think it's good for the team, for all of us, in fact. And obviously, thanks to the Premier. He loves sport, he loves football. Although he's not disclosing, he's a Pirates supporter, by the way, and we know that. But he's just supporting sport. He loves sport, so I think it's good for us and all the other teams.
Mr. Bongani Wathi lo ngumphathi weqembu le Kruger United asinifisele inhlanhla mphathi kule season ya 2026-2027.
No, thank you. Come to Mbombela the 1st of August, 8:15 Ziyaduma. Kaizer Chiefs versus Kruger. Let's show you what we've been cooking, what we've been planning. I think we're going to compete, and people must come in numbers to support us. It's not about beating Kaizer Chiefs, but it's going there to compete throughout the season, and stabilizing the team and cementing our position in the Premier League. Thanks.
Thank you. They are playing a second semi-final, but badlala neCastwick kuyo le tournament ye Mpumalanga Premier's Cup first semi-final. Asibonge chairman.